So to glue the wheels together, you need to take 4 of the wheels and just start putting a fair amount of hot glue in between them. What you want to be careful is to make sure that the laser cut lines crisscrossing are to the outside of each wheel. Go ahead and do 4 of those sets, just like this, and then we're ready to apply these couplings. These are the couplings to go to the gear motor, and you'll notice there's those 4 little holes that are in there. You should be able to see the line centered right through those 4 holes. That way you know that you have the coupler centered to the wheel and it won't wobble when it spins. The other couplings are for the other axle, and those have actually 4 notches along the side. Try to make sure that those notches align with the lines that are etched into the wheels as well. That'll make sure that those are centered nicely. So apply enough glue, but you want to try and keep some of the glue off of the center. This is to attach the wheel to the gear motor. A little bit of hot glue in there will hold it pretty tight. It's a pretty tight fit. You just want to make sure that you don't get glue up onto the sides of the motor. It could be stuck. So go ahead and measure out about 2.5 inches of the 1/8 inch wood dowel and cut that. Be careful when you're cutting. Apply a little bit of hot glue to one of the couplers to the other, the front axle, and slide that in until it makes contact with the cardboard. Then we're going to take the small clear straw and we're going to cut 1.5 inches of that piece, and we're going to just slide that over the axle. That's going to make sure that the wheel spins. And we can go ahead and glue the other side on. When you glue that, you want to make sure to be careful not to get glue onto the straw, or it's not going to spin. Make sure you clean it off if it does. Good job. Let's move on to the uprights.